When you're browsing a bookshelf in a bookstore, the first thing you see isn't the cover. It's the spine. That tiny strip of space is your book's first impression. So making it readable, attractive, and well-designed is essential. If your book's spine doesn't grab someone's attention, they may never pull your book off the shelf. A book spine usually has just three things: the book title, the author name, and the publisher logo. These should be clear, legible, and well spaced. Think about it. Your book could be one of the dozens that's crammed in a bookshelf. So it needs to be readable and it needs to stand out, even from a distance. Here are some readability tips for your spine. Choose a font that's simple and easy to read and not overly stylized. It should be large enough that people are able to read it from a distance, but also small enough so that it fits neatly into the space of the spine. Use strong color contrast. If your book's color is dark, then you can use a light colored font and vice versa. This helps your title pop. And remember the golden rule: don't clutter your spine. It should be simple and clean. Your spine's width depends on how many pages your book has and the paper type and the binding type that you choose. For paperback books, your book has to be at least 54 pages long for it to even have a spine. And for hardcovers, that number is 84 pages. Once you know your exact page count, your printer can help you calculate the exact spine width so that your design fits comfortably and it won't shift during binding. And a pro tip is that if your book is a part of a series, you should include the book number in the spine itself. Readers who love book 1 will appreciate being able to spot book 2 and book 3 easily on the bookshelf. And make sure the orientation is correct, so when your book is lying face up, the spine should read from top to bottom. And keep the design of your spine consistent with the front and the back cover. This ensures that your book's cover design is cohesive and clean. And if you're publishing using the Notion Press platform, here's the good news. Our design tool lets you design the book's interior and cover entirely on your own, and it adjusts the book spine based on your book specs automatically. Do you have any more questions? Check out our other videos to stay updated about all things publishing. And you can also click on the link in the description to talk to one of our publishing consultants who'll help clear all your doubts. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more updates. Happy publishing!